Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Saturday, December the 18th, 2021. No, it's in the edition of Monday, November the 29th, 2021. Because in today's newspaper on Saturday we have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve an old puzzle, and I've already solved one puzzle, and two puzzles to go: the Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. But now we will solve this baby number 3848. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. Three missing numbers in this row. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this big square. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. One box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. Okay, and now. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So on the last column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be here. No. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 5. Yeah. The 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. 6. Well. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this last row. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Kitty cat. Move. Okay, move. Okay, so I need to hold the camera. Okay. Apologies. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. All right. 9. 4. 2, 3. Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see there another 3, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. Okay, 9. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes there. 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Oh. No. Okay. 2, 8. 2, 8, 1, 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 7. That means these 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7, and the 8. 2 and the 8 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4, 4, 6, 6, and 2, 2, 4, 6. Interesting. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We have a pair, 6 and a 7. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 6 and a 7. Here we have another pair, 2 and a 5. So what is this number in this row? The missing number here should be the 8. Yeah. This should be also 6 and a 7 as a pair. 6 and a 7. Okay. Alright, so we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. We have a pair, I believe. Well. 1, 3, 5, 2, 9, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 7. Okay. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. This box should be a 7. 7. Okay. What are those numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and then 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. How about the 3 then? And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay, how about yeah. One number left in the second column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay, so we have a 7 in this row, third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1, wait. Here should be also 1. How about? Let me think. 6, 8, 4. 6, 8, 4. 4, 6, 2. 8 and a 1. 8, 1, and the 4 is missing. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then the other number should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the middle column for the number, I believe, 8. Yeah, 8 is missing. 8, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 in this row, third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6. I've marked this box with a 6. Okay. So two boxes left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6 we see here, 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Yes, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later for the last, yeah, I have a last puzzle. Tectonic with one star. It will be. Yes. See you later. Bye bye for now.